In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file business taxes for an LLC on TurboTax. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure that you feel confident and prepared during tax season. It's essential to have all your financial documents ready before we begin, as this will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, open your browser and navigate to the TurboTax online website for the current tax year. Once you're on the website, log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. This will allow you to save your progress and return to it later if needed. Once logged in, locate the Income section on the dashboard. This is where you'll enter information about your earnings for the year. Click on Income to proceed. This section is crucial because it will help TurboTax calculate your taxes accurately based on your reported income. Next, you'll see an option to view your wages and income summary. Click on this to get a detailed overview of all your income sources. This is where you'll enter various income types, so be sure to have your financial records handy. If you need to add or edit any information, this is the place to do it. Now, look for the section labeled S-Corps, Partnerships, and Trusts. Go ahead and click on it. This is particularly relevant for LLCs that are taxed as partnerships or S-corporations. Understanding how your LLC is taxed is crucial because it determines the forms you'll need to fill out. You'll then need to select the appropriate schedule. For most LLCs, this will involve either Schedule K-1 or Schedule Q. Schedule K-1 is commonly used for pass-through entities like partnerships and S-corporations. It's essential to report your share of the business's income, deductions, and credits accurately. If you're dealing with a real estate mortgage investment conduit, you'll use Schedule Q. Ensure you select the correct schedule to avoid any discrepancies in your tax filing. As you fill out these sections, TurboTax will guide you with prompts and questions to ensure you're entering everything correctly. Take your time with each question and refer to your documents if you're unsure about any figures. It's better to double-check than to rush through and potentially make errors. Finally, once you've entered all your information and you're confident everything is correct, you'll reach the end of the process where you can review your entire tax return. TurboTax will provide a summary, and you should take this opportunity to go over everything one last time. Once satisfied, you can file your taxes electronically through TurboTax, or you can choose to print and mail your return. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can file your business taxes for an LLC on TurboTax with ease. Remember, taking the time to ensure everything is accurate will save you from potential headaches down the line. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your filing.